I thought the scarecrow only there is a scarecrow for if you know plants like
Yeah, but
rice.
around here in Llanasa and towards Caerwys, they have a scarecrow competition every
Really,
year.
it's nice also. Lots of lambs, sheep.
Mm.
Mm.
You can actually go in there if you want to. It's a public footpath.
Or maybe they will run after me.
What, the sheep?
Oh yes, it's nice here also.
Mm.
So we'll see what's in here. Mm. Oh, there is the horse down.
Is there a horse down, is there?
Yes. What they said, how many horses is that? Only one?
Please do not feed the horse.
Yes.
What you need is this.
Do not feed the horse.
Do not feed the
Yes, horse
horse.
only. Why horses? It's only one. Only one horse. See?
Maybe there was two. Maybe it bolted when they left the stable door
I don't
open.
know. We don't know really.
Mm.
Mm.
Maybe it made like a blacksmith and made a bolt for the gate.
Yeah, see the water?
Mm-hmm.
It's
That is the Dee estuary.
what is this?
The Dee estuary.
Mm-hmm.
And over there you can see the Wirral.
Mm.
Or as the locals call it, the Wirral.
Uh-huh.
That there is the Wirral, isn't it?